All right, so today we're taking a look at the Gravastar Sirius P5 True Wireless Earbuds. And we've checked out multiple Gravastar products here on the channel before. And what I always say about their products is that they're pretty much, works of art that are also fully functional audio devices. So they make some of the coolest looking Bluetooth speakers as well as true wireless earbuds. And it's no different with the Sirius P5. And these are bringing something that we've pretty much never seen to the table, which is an interchangeable case. So it comes with the main charging case, which actually, charges the earbuds. But then you also have three different interchangeable shells, I guess you could call them, that you can, use to house and protect the actual charging case. And, having all three of these options, it just gives you, the flexibility to switch up the appearance, and it's just different. It's very unique. It's not something that you're going to see every day. So clearly not going to be for everybody. But if you're somebody that likes to be different, you like to stand apart from the rest of the crowd, these are definitely very cool from a design perspective, especially if you're into sci-fi inspired type things, because that's definitely their theme when it comes to their designs. They have what they call cyberpunk sci-fi products. So as of right now, you can pre-order these for $89, which is going to save you about 35% from the regular price, which is set to be $140. And then they're set to start shipping out the beginning of November. So I will put the link down in the description. So after you guys watch the video, if you're interested, make sure you go ahead and check it out. As far as what comes inside the box, you're going to get all three of the charging case shells, as well as the actual charging case. You get the earbuds themselves, and then you also get a necklace, which you can attach to the different charging cases if you wanted to wear the earbuds around your neck, just to help you keep track of them. So when it comes to switching out the different cases, it's extremely easy. The regular or the main charging case just kind of pops out, and you can pop it into the other design of your choice. And then it actually comes with a screw, which you can use to secure the case all the way. So you don't have to worry about it popping off incidentally or anything like that. Now, another really cool feature is going to be the RGB indicator light of the case. And there's actually a button on the bottom, which you can press to change the different colors and get like a different effect. And no matter which case you're using, it is going to be visible. So I definitely like that about it. As far as the earbuds, these are open style earbuds, which means they don't feature silicone ear tips. So with that, you're going to get a much more comfortable fit. Without that silicone ear tip, it doesn't feel as intrusive. So you can definitely wear these for long periods of time with very minimal discomfort. These are also using full touch controls, and they give you control over everything, including your volume. So you can play and pause, you can track forward, track backward, you can activate your voice assistant, adjust your volume. So you can basically do everything that you need to do without needing to reach for your phone. So these are running Bluetooth 5.2. As far as codecs, we have SBC, AAC, as well as aptX, and they even have multi-point connection. So you can connect to two devices at the exact same time, and it works surprisingly well. I was testing it out with two different phones the other day, and there was very minimal lag. It was a very seamless experience. So when you go from playing media on one device to playing media on the other device, again, very seamless, very minimal lag. So if you're looking for something that has multi-point connection, these will definitely work for you, whether it's a phone and a laptop or a phone and a tablet, whatever you got going on, whatever type of setup you have, these can definitely accommodate you. Now, these also have a dedicated gaming mode, which you can activate by tapping the right earbud a total of 3 times. And that's pretty much going to help cut down on any sort of lag or latency when it comes to mobile gaming. And then as far as battery life, you're looking at roughly 8 hours on a single charge, with a total of around 40 once you factor in the case. And for those of you that spend a lot of time outdoors, maybe in the gym here or there, they do have an IPX4 sweat and splash proof rating. So if you happen to get them a little wet, they're definitely going to hold up just fine, as long as you make sure you don't try to completely submerge them in water. So when it comes to sound quality, open style earbuds aren't really my personal preference, just because you don't get that isolated type of experience, and you typically sacrifice on overall sound quality as far as how dynamic the sound can be when it comes to this style of earbud. But I will say that the 12mm drivers on these do a really good job. They have some surprising bass, actually some of the most bass that I've ever experienced on a pair of open style earbuds. And also the mids and highs are very nicely balanced. They're not too sharp, not too pushed forward, and you're getting some really good max volume as well. So again, open style earbuds, not really my personal preference, but if they were, I would definitely go for something with this type of sound signature. So as far as sound quality, I do think these have you covered. So right now, what you guys are listening to is a microphone test of the Gravastar Sirius P5. So this is pretty much how you would sound if you decide to take a phone call in a quiet environment. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Now let's see how they sound once we add some background noise. All right, so now we've got some crowd noise being played on a speaker. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound in a more noisy environment. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So overall, like I said, a big part of what these bring to the table is the fact that they're super unique. They give you 3 different options as far as the charging case, which is something that I've never seen before. And on top of that, they actually sound good. They're a fully functioning pair of true wireless earbuds. So make sure you check out the link down in the description if you're interested. And again, if you pre-order them, you can save 35% and get them for about 89 bucks as opposed to 140. So that pretty much covers it for today's video. As always, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.